Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video of how I bleach my hair. I had told you guys that I was going to do a video to tell you how I got my hair the way it is. It started, I think, last September, October, when my daughter said, "Oh mom, I want to have purple hair. Can you give me purple tips?" And she had been telling me for a while, like she always wanted to have blue hair, purple hair. But I would always say, "No, you're too young. No, because they might make you take it off. They'll send me a note from school, you know." So I never let her until, well, I figured she's getting older. And I had tried to get her like little extensions, like little clip-ons, but they would never look nice or they wouldn't stay on. So I said, she's getting older, she's gonna start middle school, I guess, let's try it, you know, but just a little. So I got bleach, you know, I got the bleach, I got the developer and the bleach, and then I did just the bottom of her hair. Like I have a video of how I did it to retouch it recently. And so she said, "Mom, you should do some to your hair too." And I said, "No, you know, I don't want to do nothing to my hair." And she actually convinced me. She would tell me, "You don't have to do purple, you could do another color." And I said, "Okay, you know, I'll do it red." So then I did it, and what I would do is like I had little colitas, like little rubber ones, and then I would just get like this, you know, I would just put them to bleach this, and then I would bleach that, and then I would put the red on it. And I have some of the... Okay guys, so I mixed the powder, the developer, I added some shampoo, a little bit, I added some conditioner, and I mixed it all together. And now I'm gonna put it on my hair so that I can have it on and it can start developing. Okay, so all this is already light. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this. I don't wanna... Okay guys, so I put the bag on already. I just put all the little foils in there because it does get like itchy and burn if it touches your skin. Like I got some right here, but I already rinsed it with water because it does burn. Like it'll just like eat up your skin. Like right here, I don't know if you can tell. Where is it? Right here. Like right here. I had some on my arm and it turned it really white. Okay, so 45 minutes, I'll show you what it looks like and then everything, okay? So I'm taking it off now, guys. This is what it looks like. My hair looks really orange though. I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'm gonna put like some toner. I have some toner. It's already been about 45-50 minutes and I don't want to leave it any longer because I don't want it to damage my hair. So that's it. I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash it off, and I'll probably put some toner while I'm in there. And I'll show you what it looks like blow dried and styled, okay? Okay guys, so this is what my hair turned out like from yesterday. And oh yeah, that doesn't look good, right? What the I'm gonna do it again and I'm gonna fix this and I'm gonna fix this side and I gotta fix this side too, and then I'm gonna put the cap on and put more highlights up here, okay, because I still feel, and all this turned out orange, but it's okay because I'm going to do more up here with the cap. I'm going to fix this right here. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna put more bleach so that it's more even. You see how there's like this little space right there? So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna put more bleach on it, on this and on this, and then I'm not too worried about the orange in the back because I'll do the purple shampoo, purple conditioner, purple toning so that it'll take some of the orange away. Alright, I've shown you how to do that before, how I do it, the brassiness, to take away the orange. So let me get to it, guys, and I'll show you how I'm gonna be doing it. Hello. So I put the cap on and I put it on backwards. This is the back of it because these are the two pieces in the front that I'm gonna fix, so I separated them with little ponytail holders. And when I have the bleach ready, then I'll just put bleach on them and then I'll put foils. And this is the part in the front that I don't want anything to do with. I'm not gonna bleach it or anything. So I separated it and now I'm getting all the hairs through the cap. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done pulling everything through, okay? Okay guys, so I have my bleach already mixed, and how I always do it, with a little bit of shampoo, conditioner, and then the 40 volume developer and the powder lightener. So I think I'm going to put everything on here first and then I'll do these by themselves. Yeah. Well, no, I'm gonna do these first, I think, because these are... Okay, I thought I was gonna cut the cap to put the hair through, but no. because then I won't be able to go all the way up here. So just gonna do this separate. Let's see. But I'm afraid it's getting the bleach on my face because it stings. Okay guys, so I covered my head up, and then I'm going to wait about 45 minutes to wash the bleach out. And I'm gonna make some, this is shampoo, and I'm gonna add some jazzing jet grape so that I can put this in my hair. When I wash it, rinse off the bleach, then I'm gonna put this shampoo so that it will take all the brassiness off, because it's most likely gonna be really orangey, and like what I did yesterday is very orange. Okay guys, so it's been more than an hour, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really light. I'm going to jump in the shower, rinse it off, and then put the purple shampoo all over my hair. So this is what it looks like, guys. I put it on, and I'm gonna leave it on as much as possible, for as long as possible, and so it can help to take away all the brassiness. Okay, so I'll show you once I dry it and style it what it came out to look like once it's dry. Okay. Okay, well, sorry the video has gone on for so long, guys, but that jazzing did nothing. Like, I really hope you guys made it to this far into the video, because I really don't recommend using that jazzing making the blue shampoo, because it did nothing. My hair still turned out really orange, really brassy, and like I was not gonna be able to wear that in public, okay? So I was so lucky that my husband, he had bought a Just for Men like shampoo conditioner that like it's, oh yeah, look at my hands, I feel like the genie from Aladdin. But what did it to me was this. It's Just for Men Control GX, Just for Men, and I don't even want to touch it anymore because it stained my hands so much. I was trying to use gloves, but with the gloves I just couldn't put it exactly where I wanted it. So still, like in the camera it looks like, you know, really bright, but it's not as bright as it was before. When I got out of the shower, it was like super bright, like orange. And with that, I left it on for only like 2 minutes and it started turning purple. You can still see like purplish, dark, like really dark purple, and it started depositing color. So I put it in all the spots where it was really orange, and now my hair looks kind of purplish, you know. It's like grayish purplish, but you know what, I prefer that over the bright orange. And it's a product that's gonna fade. Like, you gotta keep using it so that it takes away your gray. It's supposed to deposit color for men, and so that, like, my husband bought it for his gray hair, but he never uses it because his hair grows so fast that, like, he'll take a shower at night with it, but by the morning he'll have gray hair again. So he just had it there, and I was so lucky that he hadn't used it, and I used it to tone, and I really like it. I really recommend that. Like, if you guys can't go run to Sally's to find, you know, something to tone your bleached hair with, just go to the grocery store. Yeah, he got this at Smith's. You can get it at Smith's at the grocery store, and it works really good to tone your hair, because by 2-3 washes it'll come out, but at least your hair is not like bright orange, you know. And yeah, so subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I hope you like this video. I hope it helps, and I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything with my hair anytime soon, probably in the summer, because who knows what the water with the chlorine will do to my hair. But that's something that I'll go into when that time comes, and then I'll show you guys and I'll make another video. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and tell me what you think. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye. Genie from Aladdin, or Barney. My hands are so purple.